The coffee is finally kicking in. I'm Praveen Penmetsa. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders here at Monarch. The work machines and essential industries that encapsulates agriculture and off-highway machines are facing tremendous challenges, mostly on the increased complexity of the design of these machines. At the same time, the industry has seen a shortage of labor. So now it's not how many machines can you deploy on a job site, it's how many skilled operators do you have. So the OEMs are now under tremendous pressure to automate into an industry that has a fragmentation of different jobs. The advent of AI in the last 2 years has really accelerated what is possible when you have the right kinds of data. The fact that we had a huge amount of data that we have collected out of our machines in very difficult environments with our customers meant that the deployment of AI technologies could really increase the value, not just for Monarch, but also for our OEM partners who are ready to take advantage of this. MonarchOne at its core is a very simple concept. We have the software-defined vehicle platform, which we enable with our Monarch OS. We have our MonarchOne Cloud, which consists of our integrated data lake that includes device data, operations data, and environment data. On top of that, we are able to now run our AI and ML models. So 2 components, both of which come together to provide our applications. For us, autonomy, driver assist, operational features, all of these are different kinds of apps that we deploy. This allows us to address the fragmented nature of off-highway vehicles, where these vehicles do a lot of different kinds of jobs, and we have different kinds of apps that are all powered by the same core MonarchOne Cloud and Monarch OS platforms that we bring to the table. For us, the one in MonarchOne stands for Monarch being the one partner that our OEM partners can rely on for solutions across all of their fleet. One partner, one solution. The MonarchOne platform was architected from day one for messy, unstructured, dynamic environments for work machines that are doing dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs. That makes us uniquely different than most of the other on-road autonomy platforms that are putting over. We have our end-to-end experience of manufacturing the software-defined vehicles, deploying them, servicing and supporting them, and scaling the operational domain of this autonomy solutions. We also have commercial experience in selling these technologies and working with end users. All of these differentiating factors help our OE partners in having the low risk in terms of deploying solutions, very low cost, not just from a hardware standpoint, but also from a cost of deployment of automation, and also the cost of service of automation on an annual basis. And also allows them to really accelerate the deployment of automation technologies from 5-10 years to a few years, to where they can actually start realizing revenue from digital solutions and automation features. The next few years will be extremely exciting for the off-highway equipment industry and agriculture. We're going to see the same kind of transformation that we saw with on-road mobility and the deployment of autonomy for on-road usages. I'm looking forward to a future where within the next decade, almost every small farm, every small job site will have smart automated equipment, and we'll start to see the benefits of that infrastructure deployment as a society. Okay, let's call it.